Hello guys, today we will be talking about multimodal live API of Google Gemini 2.0. So Google Gemini has released multimodal features like talking to Gemini directly, and you can also video chat. That's a to and fro chat that we can do with Gemini model, and you can show the surroundings and then you can talk to it. So let's see how it works. So you to access it, you need to move to aistudio.google.com, and then you will be going to live aistudio.google.com/live. So you will be coming to this page, and which you have three options. One is talking to Gemini, other is you can video chat. This is audio chat only, so this won't have any access to your any of your camera features. So this will just show you camera, and then this is the sharing screen. So let's talk one by one. And one more thing, the voices also you can change. So there is Puck, there is Oede, Fenrir, Core. So you can check based on your needs. Okay. So let's start talking to Gemini first. You need to allow it. Hi Gemini. Hello. Are you listening to me?
Yes, I am listening to you. How can I help?
Okay. So can you tell about some recent developments in US politics?
I can tell you about recent developments in US politics. However, I don't have access to real time information, so my knowledge is not perfectly up to date. Would you still like to hear what I know?
Yeah, definitely. Sure. You can talk about it.
Okay, here are some recent developments in US politics. There's been ongoing debate about economic policy, including discussions on inflation and potential tax changes, plus some recent activity in the Supreme Court with some rulings on cases of national interest. Is there anything more specific you'd like to discuss?
Nothing as of now. Thank you. So this is how you can talk to do an audio chat with the AI Studio on Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. So to use this thing, you need to clear this conversation, and then you can move to any of the other options that is available with you. So let's see, we'll start with the video chat part right now, and we'll have to give an access. Hello.
Okay, so it seems like you're talking about giving access to something.
Yeah.
Could you tell me what that access is for?
Yeah, nothing as of now. So are you able to see me?
Yes, I can see you in the video. You are wearing glasses and a dark jacket, and you're sitting in a room with a fan and curtains. Is
Okay.
there anything in particular you would like me to comment on about the video?
Nothing as of now. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So this is how you can do a video chat here, and then we'll move to the next part, that is testing some other voice. Let's say if I want to do another voice a day. So let's talk to her. Hello.
Hi there, how can I help you?
Do you know who is the Prime Minister of India?
Yes, the current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Do you have any other questions about India?
Do you know about the last general elections in India? When was it held?
The last general election in India was held in 2019. Would you like to know more about it?
Okay, so what's your training cutoff data?
I do not have access to that information, as I am a language model. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nothing as of now. Thank you very much. So see, you can see that it's cutoff date is way before 2024 elections, that was held in month of May, and May out here, May June. So it's the data that you have with Gemini 2.0, it will be little bit on the previous data only. But yeah, this is what you can do. So there's the third option that we will try. So this is the sharing of screen. So let's try sharing this screen, and we'll ask certain questions. Hello.
Hello there, how can I help you?
Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen. Is there anything specific you'd like me to look at?
So what does this screen say about? What is it about?
The screen appears to show a web page. It has a title at the top and some text below, but I can't read the specific text as it is too small. Would you like to tell me more about the page or any specific part you would like me to focus on?
Okay, can you check the logo, which company it is?
I can see a logo in the top left corner. However, it's too small for me to identify the company. Can you describe the logo or tell me the name of the company?
Okay, fine, no issues. Uh,
No problem. Is there anything else I can help you with?
so I'll just try something else with you. So now, can you see what it is all about? Can you see this current page? Hello.
Yes, I can.
So do you see the current page? Okay, I guess some latency issues. Uh,
Yes, I do see the current page. It's your browser's start page with a search bar and icons for your favorite websites, plus a privacy report.
okay, thank you very much. So that's how you can check it out here. So we'll to the code part. So Google also has given this access of code starter. You can build this whole thing through an API. So they have given some starter code out there, so that I tested it out, and I will also share the code out here and with the requirements.txt and everything, so that you can just try it on your local laptop. So you might need to give access to your IDE to access cameras and audio, like a microphone out there, so which I did, and now the code is running with me. Okay, so let's move to my Visual Studio Code and we'll see how it works. So see, uh, I'll just clear it out. So you need to create a virtual environment out there, and then you need to download this live API starter.py from GitHub of google.com, Google this Gemini part, and then create a .env file. This .env file will be your the Gemini API key will be there, and then you need to just use this code and then run it out, download this code and run this out. It's a pretty big code, so explaining this whole thing will take some time. So you can just there are certain configs also you can change. In this config you can change the voice of that part also. So the Gemini API documentation is having all of that. So just go and check the API documentation and try building something of your own. So I'll share this whole code with you also. Okay, so to run it out you just need to do Python live API starter.py. Yeah, now it has started. Hello there.
Okay, it looks like the video started with... Yes, it appears the video started...
Hello, are you seeing me?
Yes, I can see you.
Yes.
Great,
So
is there anything else I can help with?
How are you? How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Okay.
How can I
tell
help?
me who is the current president of United States?
Okay, what about the United States?
Who is the current
Could you tell me what specifically you'd like to know?
Who is the current president of United States of America?
I do not have access to that information.
Okay.
Okay, is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can you tell me about the last general election of India?
I'm sorry, but I don't have access. I do not have access
Okay.
to that information. I am... All right. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Are you looking at me right now?
Yes, I am looking at you.
So can you describe
Okay, is there
the
anything
room?
else?
Can you describe the room?
Okay, the room appears to be a home. It looks like a home office. Okay, it looks like a home office.
Okay, what do you find in it?
Right. It looks like a home office. It seems like a home. Correct. It looks like a home office. Yes, it looks like a home office. Is there
So like now,
office?
what do you
Yes.
find
Do you
in
have
the
any other
room?
questions for me?
Do you have anything do you see anything else? What do you see in the room?
I also see a ceiling fan.
Okay, anything
You're right.
else?
There's a ceiling fan in the room. Is there?
Anything else?
Yes, a ceiling fan. And there's also a curtain. Do you have any other questions?
Nothing as of now. Thank you very much. So as you can see, like the API version has some latency issues, but the web version doesn't have that much. This is like something that due to my network connection also it may happen, but you can try it out. Maybe on a server it will work better in a better manner. So this is on my local system, so that's why it's taking this much time. I'll share this code with you. Do try it out, to look into the code modalities and how they have used async out there to have the parallel conversations and everything. So thank you very much. Thanks everyone. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.